Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and somebody asked me if there was an equivalent in Google Chrome of what is the feature of immersive reader in Edge. So if you go on Edge, you click an article and you want to remove all the clutter around it, you can click immersive reader, which brings you just the article, no ads, no nothing, and the text that you can get if you want read to you, or just read it as is, less distracting than reading the same thing on the regular page. So the immersive reader, there is something, of course, called that does the same type of feature. If you go on, and this is the same article once again, Google Chrome, simply click the three vertical dots, go into more tools, and here you will have reading mode. Simply click there, and this will actually bring you this page resumed in reading mode, but in a different way. On the right side of your screen, you can of course expand this to take more space, half of it or even almost all of it. It's a different way of doing it, but it also works. The difference from the immersive reader from Edge and the reading mode here is that it doesn't incorporate images. So that's the big difference. In Edge, you will still see the pictures that are part of the article, but in Google Chrome, you'll have just the text. Still, if that's all you want to see, it works great, and you can, of course, read it through the immersive reader. You can close the reading mode now when you're over, and it's all fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.